College of Engineering, ECE department, and my year of pass out is 2022. And I've got selected in Elixir Lab with a package of 4.5 LPA. And I would like to thank this JSpiders team, as we had no hope of getting placed, and finally we came here, we got placed, as well as we have learned even Java. So I would like to thank all the faculties here, Rahul sir, Anupama ma'am, Pooja ma'am, and even the HRs. They were very friendly and were able to teach us Java, and we were able to get placed soon. And I would even like to thank the JSpider team. Because of this only I was able to crack the interview, and mainly during the mock test in the grooming section, this made a lot to get placed, and finally I am placed here. Thank you, and I would like to suggest all my friends to come here and join JSpider so that you will get placed soon.